Look at you or the camera?
You look at the camera.
Okay, my name's Tiana Weber. I'm the owner of Accelerated Racing Solutions. This is the ZRStang, or we call it a Virus. She is an LS9 swapped New Edge 2001 Mustang GT. Today we're here at Jessie's Performance. They're welding up my new mufflers, I should say, to my tailpipes. They're not really mufflers, but I mean, we'll call them mufflers.
Swap.
Well, I mean, it's the only LS9 swapped Mustang out there. It's the first one. No one's done one yet, so this is like the first and only. Now it's got a 2650 LS9 on it from Kong Performance, so I'm about to break even more records with this car, so it's going to be pretty cool.
What records have you broken?
The fastest LS9. This is currently the fastest LS9 that exists, so now I'm going to make that go even further. It's a stock block LS9, stock motor, just cam, and even stock LS9 ported heads.
That's cool. So tell us about like your little career going on here.
So my husband and I created Accelerated Racing Solutions. We've been building drag racing cars since we were 16. Yeah, we're about double that now. So we decided to do it as a business together, and help other people at the drag strip get faster, and enjoy the sport and love of cars as much as we do.
Why'd you choose the Mustang?
So I chose this Mustang. It's a budget build. I found the cheapest vehicle that I can make go fast in the fastest amount of time with the least amount of fabrication. I also had this car back in 2005, not the same exact one, but a New Edge, and it was like my first race car that I ever got in debt over. And so I kind of wanted to like a little evolve it, and I found it for $1,500 running, and threw out the motor and tossed this one in it. And Mustangs are super cheap to modify. They already have kits for them, and they work on the drag strip. I don't have to do nothing. I mean, this is stock rear end, stock style suspension. I don't have to do much to it, but it works. So I mean, this car was featured on a Netflix show called Fastest Car. It's on season 2. I'm not going to spoil anything, because if anybody wants to watch it, you can see us on episode 2. Both of us, you could kind of see the car evolve a little bit, and watch it go down the track, and some exciting things happen. I'm a little crybaby, so you'll see me cry too. Yeah.
Yeah, I heard the guy was talking back there. They knew who you were. She saw us in the office. So it was kind of a little collision went on.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So, I mean, I don't want to spoil it if no one else has seen it, but yeah, there's this little scary moment with, there's 5 racers, and you gotta, yeah, just watch it.
Also, last question. Were you the only girl in that episode, or like another little season going on, or no?
So there is other females in the season, but in my episode and also the finale, yes, I was the only female.
Okay. Oh, there's Jessie. Just jumped in the interview.
He's like, I'm working.
That's a big pipe?
Yeah. Yeah, that's big shit there.
That's a big pipe. That's what she said. Yeah, so I mean, we added tailpipes to this. This car competes, I mean, in a street car class. What better to have, tailpipes for a street car? It looks cool, and then I squashed them in a couple wheelies that I've done. So I dragged the back bumper, and they're not round anymore. So
you compete against your husband?
yeah, so he has an LS swap Mustang too, and we're always battling who's faster, as we have been for 16, 18 years, and I'll make him fuck up every time.
So who's better? You?
Me, come on now.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah, I'm like, I don't care. I'll be him every time he goes down the track. I'll let him fuck up.
Oh, you'll let him fuck up.
I'll let him fuck up.
Gotcha. Harrison, Billy.
Straight?
Pick them up, dude. Show.
No, look.
Show 'em.
You gotta look this way.
Alright,
So like
fine.
this is like straight, and this is like Ray Charles with the Sawzall.
Oh boy.